Shri Bhagwati presents coating pan. A coating pan with a PLC, programmable logic controller, panel is a specialized equipment used in the pharmaceutical, food processing, and confectionery industries for the purpose of coating various products, such as tablets, candies, nuts, or other confectionery items. The coating pan itself is a rotating drum or vessel designed to evenly distribute a liquid or dry coating material onto the surface of the products. The PLC panel, on the other hand, is an electronic control system that operates and regulates the coating process. It consists of a central processing unit, CPU, that communicates with various input and output devices, such as sensors, motors, valves, and displays. The PLC panel allows for precise control over the coating parameters, ensuring consistency and quality in the finished product. Here are some key features and functions of a coating pan with a PLC panel. First, coating process control. The PLC panel provides control over the entire coating process, including the rotation speed of the pan, the flow rate of the coating material, and the temperature conditions. This enables precise adjustment and optimization of the coating parameters to achieve the desired results. Second, recipe management. The PLC panel allows for the storage and recall of multiple coating recipes. Each recipe can consist of specific process parameters, such as coating duration, pan speed, and spray patterns, ensuring repeatability and flexibility in production. Third, monitoring and feedback. The PLC panel is equipped with various sensors and instruments to monitor critical process variables, such as temperature, humidity, and airflow. This data is used to provide real-time feedback and control, ensuring that the coating process remains within the defined operating parameters. Fourth, alarm and fault detection. The PLC panel is programmed to detect any abnormal conditions or faults during the coating process. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.